Hello everybody, this is Engineer Pat 5290 coming to you with a big thank you video for everyone who tuned into the recent premiere kicking off December along Tidewater Rails. I just would like to say first off, I was very pleased with the number of users that had tuned into that premiere and also the number of likes I have received and comments on the video. I just would like to say thank you guys for smashing the like button and for always leaving comments. I greatly appreciate it because it, I'm really glad that you guys are liking my content that's out there, and uh, I try to do my very best into finding the right content that I think you guys are going to enjoy. So I really appreciate that. A lot of great chatter in the box, which was actually one of the most enjoyable chats I've had in a long time on Premiere. So that's another big thumbs up there for everyone out there. And I want to say thanks for keeping that chat awesome. And I actually enjoyed doing it. So it allowed me to kick back a little bit and kind of enjoy myself in this one. So that's always a good thing there. I'm also doing the concluding 2019 along Tidewater Rails. That is in the process of being edited, so that probably won't be out until probably towards the end of the month. I just haven't decided yet on how long it's going to be. I've got to go ahead and get a lot of this stuff straight so I can finish that one up. I also have a new series going to be coming out called iPhone 11 Extras. Some of the Canon footage is going to be in the actual premiere, and some of the ones are going to be in iPhone 11 Extras. Now, uh, I'm using both of them now, and I will do a more clarification on another video where I will be talking about that and talking about some tips with it, and that's going to be coming out later. As well as you got to remember the Q&A prompt is still out there. The questions are looking good, guys. I've looked through it a couple of times, and the questions look really good. If you have not yet submitted your questions, you still have a little bit of time left. Uh, Today is the 20th, and the polls will be closing on December the 29th at 11:50 p.m. Eastern Time. So it may seem like it's a lot of time, but it isn't because it's going to be right around the corner before you know it. So definitely go ahead and get your questions in now, and then New Year's Eve the responses will be out for your enjoyment. And January 1st, 2020 will mark the first Q&A for 2020, and that is scheduled to come out January 1st, I believe at 9 a.m. I'm not looking at it now, so I'm not sure on that. So, uh, but anyway, I just would like to say thank you to everybody who participated in the most recent premiere. It was another good one for the books. I've got to say the premieres have been great, guys. I appreciate the guys, the returning subscribers coming back and always watching. Now I'm glad to see new users coming in, and one of them is Class J Video Production. That's one of my good friends, and we all did a lot together. I want to say thank you to him for coming on in and having some fun with the chat. It seemed like he really enjoyed it. So glad to see new guys coming around. Glad to see some returning users coming back and continuing watching. So I just would like to say thanks again. So anyway, until the next real adventure, this is Engineer Pat saying out. Peace out, and may God bless.